Hi, this can come together because we don't have much time. So I'm just going to run down us, like, because it's already time for the next talk. So today I'm going to be talking on scaling web server into interface applications with Ansible and Python. What WSGI basically does is enables communication between your web server and your Python app. So in this talk, like we're looking at understanding the WSGI interface, building Flask, a simple basic sample Flask application, front end and back end, deployment with Ansible, performing horizontal scaling, configuring with reverse proxy with Nginx, and strategies for WSGI. So let's get to it. In this um, sample block, you can see we send a request to our server, and that request sends a response back to our client. And in this code block, you can see that we have a function called application that passes our arguments, our meta variables, and start response. Our start response function is also callable back in the code and returns the status and headers um, back to the server. And we then return body PyCon Nigeria 2024 and start to show you that this request being sent is successful. And then our headers, we have a list of tuple, content type, um, text plain. So I think if everyone follows me, you can clone this project. I created like a GitHub repo for you to clone this project. And the great about this project was I did all the infrastructure as code for you guys. So you just have to deploy it using Terraform. So moving on, we have a simple front-end application written in React, and what this does is just a simple app that sends a GET request to our backend server, and the backend sends back a response to us returning status code, content, and the header, and then we send a post request to backend server for us to add new log entries to this, and we have like a simple index HTML for the front end that shows the log management system and how we can impute um, our methods and status codes, and this is going to be if you've cloned the repo already, you can like when you deploy it with Terraform, this is what it gets on the client side. So yeah, the backend implementation, we also have a simple backend app here that we are inserting new log entries into our log table in our DB, and we also send it gets requests that retrieves all entries from the backend and returns a JSON response. Yeah, so what's Ansible? Ansible, so you know, when you're building your application and you're working on your backend and front end, the normal way and the way everybody does it is you SSH into your server and you, start installing the dependencies, packages you're using. Ansible makes this easy for you. You just have to write your playbook, your inventory, and configure like some files like your Ansible CMD files. So it's the playbook that it feels like a YAML format. You just have to define everything you want it to do in the playbook. Like if you want to install all your packages, copy your front-end files, run your front-end files, and communicate your front-end with the backend. And yeah, in Ansible we have the Ansible configuration file where we define like our remote user. For this project, I use Amazon Linux. That our remote user here is EC2 user. You can use Ubuntu. If you use Ubuntu, for example, your remote user is going to be Ubuntu. He has specified my private key. You have to do that on local machine. Then our inventory file, that's where I define my host. I was using one EC2 instance for this project, And yeah, the playbook YAML file, need to make it better. Yeah, the playbook YAML file, as I said earlier, this is where we define all we want to run in our instance. So here we are like installing our packages, configuring the backend directory to talk to the frontend directory. We are running the Gcon web server gateway interface at the background. And this does the communication between the front-end part and the back-end part. And um, we have the Nginx configuration here. And basically what an Nginx does is mostly like a reverse proxy. And so what's a reverse proxy? It's kind of sits in our server and routes the locations to its specific IP we define here. So when the user goes to slash, then a server in our server name. So this server name 80.135.20.88 is the EC2 public IP of my instance that I deployed. So going to route it to specified paths for slash API and slash. Yeah, earlier I talked about the Gcon web server interface which we are using for this Flask application. And this command was also specified in our playbook Ansible file and importance. And so if for this talk we put our two things together, we built a simple front-end and back-end app, and we looked at how to configure it with Ansible. Now, where the scaling coming? You can scale when you want to, maybe you are running a heavy production workload and you have a like very large traffic and user base. Vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling, we are increasing our CPU storage and RAM of our instance. Horizontal scaling, we have different instances that will scale automatically. Yeah, I'm just like jumping to the scaling part. In scaling, so for scaling, I'm just going to talk about scaling. 4 components required for scaling. For this sample is 2 instance. Launch templates, target group, load balancer, and configuring auto scaling. So you can configure an auto scaling to when a particular value is met, it's going to trigger, and once it triggers, it shows you an alarm that this is in the trigger state. And you can see here, I did a sample sudo script to trigger this EC2 instance, and it triggered, and you can see the CPU utilization graph is now high. And to enable advanced monitoring tools for your EC2 instance, you can use other tools like Axiom, Grafana, Datadog, and the rest. Thank you. Sorry for the rush. There was a mix up in time and how to thank you. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can just put my back. Like, I think we need to move to the next topic or something.